everyone, this is Abdullah Omer with AXYZ Automation Group. Every productive day begins with a simple startup. Power on the system, initialize the controller, and within moments the machine is ready to begin work. The intuitive touchscreen interface provides immediate access to machine status, tooling, and production controls, allowing operators to get to work quickly and confidently. As the machine completes its homing sequence, every axis is accurately referenced to ensure precise and repeatable operation from the very first cut. Material can be positioned quickly, while intuitive jogging controls allow operators to accurately locate the spindle and workpiece. Tool changes are fully integrated into the workflow, minimizing setup time and ensuring the correct tooling is always available for the job. Whether manually loading material through Move or preparing new tooling, each step has been designed to reduce downtime and maximize productivity. Tool qualification ensures every cutter is measured accurately before machining begins, providing consistent results across every production run. At the heart of the workflow is Move. Its modern interface makes preparing jobs straightforward, allowing operators to load parts directly from the library in just a few clicks. Once loaded, powerful part manipulation tools provide the flexibility to adapt jobs without returning to the original CAD software. Create an array to quickly produce a grid of identical parts, perfect for maximizing material usage. Rotate parts to any required angle for optimal positioning on the sheet. Mirror parts instantly to create left and right-hand versions of components, eliminating the need to redraw geometry and reducing programming time. The seamless transition between Move and Smart Console gives users the flexibility to choose the workflow that best suits their application. Once production begins, the system delivers the speed, precision, and reliability expected from our machines. Real-time feed and speed adjustments can be made on the fly, allowing operators to optimize cutting performance without stopping production. Designed with simplicity in mind, Move is easy to learn, intuitive to operate, and straightforward to train new users on, helping teams become productive faster. Move can also be retrofitted onto many older machines, bringing the latest interface and workflow improvements to proven production systems. It's time to get moving. Get on the move with Move from AXYZ. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.